Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Take and Cryptos. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to delete Pinterest history on mobile. So let's get started. At first, let's get into Pinterest app. Now click on this saved icon in the bottom right corner and we can see the settings icon. So let's tap on this and we can go on privacy and data. And here we can see there is no such option for deleting our history, and if you want to delete our data we need to delete our account as well. And if we clear our cache, the cache will be cleared but our history will yet remain the same, and all of our saves will also remain same. So there is no such option to delete our history completely from Pinterest in our mobile. What we can do is we need to select each of our saves and delete them individually. So that is all we can do. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.